use the pill?
What do you mean?
Like, did you take it did you take it and ingest it while you were here?
Sorry, but Lucy is in family. She's my dog. And nobody would say yes to us because of her.
Because of the...
So we have a team member who was a pharmacy technician. She was working in the pharmacy. She admitted to taking one alprazolam, so it's a controlled substance. So we
One pill?
One pill. We have 13 missing. She did admit to taking it to the stock room. She admitted to the one pill. That's what I need to report.
Okay.
So
cool. Where's
you
she
guys
at?
decide what you do with that situation. We just need case number.
Meet Jen, a pharmacy tech who just got caught stealing Xanax. The pharmacy says 13 pills are missing, but Jen claims she only took one. Notice how she tries to control the damage. She thinks if she admits to a small crime, they will ignore the big one, but watch closely, her lies are about to fall apart.
Where's she at?
She's in the office.
Do you have video of it or anything?
So the video, so I have video of her. She goes in and out of the pharmacy a lot. She's all over the place. I have the statement of her doing that. The only video I have is her going back to the cart, looking for where she put it, because she couldn't. She's like, where's it at? She freaked out. But it was already too late. They'd already found it because it's on. So she took a patient's prescription to the stockroom. She took it out of the pharmacy to the stockroom.
She was intending on taking a whole bottle.
So I think she's now claiming she only took one pill out of the 20.
Cool. All right.
This is her statement. And this is
All right, gents. I'm Deputy Kramer of the Sheriff's Office, okay? So, I'm going to read you something before we get started. Do you understand each of these rights that I've read to you?
Yes.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me today?
All I ask is if you are actually going to arrest me, if we can walk outside and you do it out there.
I can respect that.
All I ask.
So, you're willing to speak to me?
Yeah.
Okay. So, obviously, I just read your statement. All right? And from what I've gathered, I guess you're on hard times. In today's economy, it's not uncommon. Okay? But
There's way more. I just only use 3 pieces of paper.
that's fine. But I just kind of want to get an understanding of what happened that day from you.
She noticed on video, I don't remember that day particularly. I do not. But I seemed off. Well, if you really want my whole story, I'll tell it to you. I have been living in a garage since September of 2023 at my mother's house. It's a different kind of situation. My brother, you probably know who he is. He moved down here a long time ago and ended up with 15 felony charges. He's bad. He lives there.
Okay.
Mental abuse every day. He's tried fighting my son. He's gotten in his face. He's pushed him. Have I ever called you guys? No, because my mom would lose her shit. I've come home to cat shit smeared on my pillows. I've been through so much living there, but had nowhere to go with my kids. And I do what I have to do every day, and I work 2 jobs. And I've been trying to find a house. I have a pit bull. And I have had a very hard time finding a place to get us out of the situation that I've been in because of Lucy. And I'm sorry, but Lucy is in family. She's my dog. And nobody would say yes to us because of her.
Because of the breed and the insurance liability.
Yeah. So I have been living with this crap since September. Backing it up, I used to have a house. And I rented and I had a landlord who was a slumlord. For 5 months, he refused to pump my septic. Yep. I reported him, and I was no longer on a lease. I was there for 4 years. I'm used to owning a home from Virginia, and I didn't think, I need to renew my lease. So, 6 months later, when I should have already renewed it, I called him and I was like, baby, and I still want to stay here. And the biggest mistake that I made is when he said, as long as you pay, you're good. Okay. Well, when I reported him to the city and the state, and he has 3 violations against him for not doing what he's supposed to do, he immediately went to the courthouse and evicted us. Only 24 hours to get out of the house, which put me in my mom's garage. Okay.
So,
I'm getting...
Okay, let's talk about this.
I need to explain all that to get to where... So, with this, I have been... My husband got in an accident out here, got flown. This is all within a month. He broke every single rib in the back of his spine. I'm working 2 jobs. I just forked out May 1st almost $10,000 to move into a place. Like, it's all of what you have to pay is crazy.
Yep.
But this happened before May 1st. It's the amount of things that go on when I was at my mom's, and I don't remember what happened the night before. I was telling Renee that that day could have been a potential where we had a place to go, and then they find out about the breed of Lucy, and it's a no. And that could have been a day that I got another no. It could have been the night before where I'm up because of what's going on at my mom's, which I'm not there anymore, dealing with my brother. He does drugs, he drinks, he's like a, what do you call it, it's where you can still function and go to work and still do stuff and nobody knows.
Oh, an alcoholic?
Oh, he's an alcoholic. He drinks. Yeah, but he also does other stuff too. But he is so functioning. But when he comes home, he's like not nice to my mom. He's not nice to if I'm there. You know, it's just so much stuff. And I did take it out of the pharmacy, and I took one pill out of it. And then I decided
What kind of pill was it?
Well, it's generic for Xanax. It was alprazolam.
Alprazolam? Okay.
And
Notice what Jen is doing? This is a classic trick called trauma dumping. She knows she is caught, so she completely changes the subject. She starts talking about her bad landlord, her brother, and even her dog. Why? Because she wants the cop to feel sorry for her. Liars use pity to distract you from the evidence, but look at the cop. He is staying quiet and he is not buying it.
I decided to not take the rest of it. And
okay.
But I did.
Did you use the pill?
What do you mean?
Like, did you take it did you take it and ingest it while you were here, or did you ingest it when you got home?
When I left.
Okay.
Yeah, by the time I got home, I was up for like 15, 20 minutes, and my husband didn't know, and I was out. And he asked me the next day, like, well, so why did you come home and then you were so tired? And I said, well, I am tired, but I didn't even tell him. I told him just now when I called. Yeah. Because I told him that he may have to come get my car. I don't know if I'm being arrested. Like, I don't know what's going on. And he said, was it the day you came home and you were so tired and you went to sleep? And I said, yes. So it knocked me right out. But I mean, that's the truth. Like, summing that up.
Okay. What kind of stuff do you have here? Do you have a car here? Where's the car at?
Outside. Okay. My purse is in the trunk because I don't bring it inside. My phone, my keys, and vape. That's it.
Okay. Do you care if she leaves her car here? Okay.
It'll be fine.
Okay.
Is it locked?
Well, it is, but he can come get it. I mean, I'm assuming y'all are taking it, so he can come get it.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I call him or can we just tell him? I mean, I left the phone number there.
Yeah, you can give him a call.
Before I even call, so I have information to give him. I've never had trouble before, so I don't know how this works.
In Sebastian? Yeah. Oh,
So-
okay. I just came
So you'll be able to make a phone call at the jail.
So first thing in the morning, you'll go to first appearance, you'll see a judge, and then the judge will decide on what your bond is.
Yes, I know your phone number. I just called you. All right.
It's a valid question.
It is definitely a valid question nowadays.
Well, no, I wrote it down and then I had to go in my phone and look to make sure that I was right.
Yes.
Well, because
We all hit
dial.
call.
I'll take it out and lock up. And then put that.
And can we do the whole walk outside thing? Yep. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Just don't run or be another charge.
It's very obvious if y'all are walking behind me.
Yeah, well, better than walking out in handcuffs.
Huh?
Better than walking out in handcuffs.
I've never gotten in trouble before. I've never really, like, I really chose to not pay it. The whole, you know what I mean?
I got
And I
you.
know that this is not achievable. I know it's not. I didn't see that
The
one.
Crown Vic.
Never had bracelets on. I don't like this.
No bracelet ever?
No, like, I've never been in trouble before.
All right.
Like, I'm freaking out, but I'm trying not to.
So the reason
Well, I don't have anything in my pocket.
it's Stop reaching in your pocket.
Oh no, I was looking. I
know.
have miscellaneous pockets.
Just put your hands up on the top.
God, I'm so embarrassed
All right.
because people
Nope,
know.
up top, up top. I just gotta make sure you ain't got nothing else on you, okay? Are you wearing a bra?
Of course.
I gotta ask. You know how many people we deal with that don't?
I have to here.
Do me a favor. Just hook it with your pinky. You can leave your
Take it
shirt.
off?
Nope. Hook the front of it between.
I don't know how I'm supposed to do that.
That's all right. So turn your face carefully.
You like open the doors. Everybody sees us. I'm sorry. I know that people don't.
I understand. Here, turn your hand just like that. There you go. Just trying to make sure I lock them so they don't adjust.
I'm not going anywhere.
No, like I said, so they don't tighten.
Yeah, you don't want to
Oh.
be sitting down and they tighten on your wrist and start hurting. Even though they're not the most comfortable thing on the planet already.
This is very.
In the end, crying doesn't work when there is evidence. Jen was arrested for theft. She got lucky and was sent to drug court, so her charges were dropped after she finished the program. She kept her freedom, but her career in the pharmacy is gone forever. What do you guys think? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you.